Hello everybody. So today we are going to discuss a question from Economics, Class 11th, Chapter 3, Liberalization, Privatization, Globalization and Appraisal. So the question is, India has certain advantages which makes it a favorite outsourcing destination. What are these advantages? So the answer is easy availability of cheap labor. As the wage rates in India are comparatively lower than that of in the developed countries, MNCs find it economically feasible to outsource their business in India. Reasonable degree skills. Indians have fairly reasonable degrees of skills and techniques that need low training period and thus low cost of training. International worthiness. India has a fair international worthiness and also credibility. This enhances the faith of the foreign investors in India. Virgin market. India has a virgin market for produced goods and services. This not only helps the MNCs to explore the wide domestic market of India, but also conquer the international markets as the cost of production in India is relatively cheaper. Stable political environment. A democratic political environment in India provides a stable and secured environment to the MNCs to expand and grow. Favorable government policies. The most important point that makes India as the most favorite sport for outsourcing is the favorable government and tax policies. MNCs get various types of lucrative offers from the Indian government like tax holidays, low rate of tax, easy tax policies, etc. All these policies enable the MNCs to retain a major portion of their earnings in the form of savings that they can invest to grow and expand their business. Lack of competitive competitors. The most important for the MNCs in India is that they don't face stiff competition from the Indian domestic industries. This almost enables them to enjoy a monopoly status in the Indian markets. Reasonable degree of infrastructural investment. Indian government has invested heavily in the past 2 decades in the infrastructural sector. Various steps have been taken for connecting remote and rural areas to the metropolitan and other major cities. This has not only reduced the cost of production of the MNCs but also helped them operate efficiently and effectively. Cheap and abundant availability of raw materials. India is well enriched in natural resources. This ensures the MNC's cheap availability of raw material and undisturbed and perennial supply of raw materials. This enables proper and smooth operation of MNCs. Thank you for watching the video. For such videos, please subscribe to Intensify.